ActivPanel Android interface gives you the ability to download and install apps that can be used for learning in your classroom. On your home screen you will find the Promethean App Store, so tap to launch it. You can now begin the process of searching and downloading and installing apps. So tap to select the app that you would like to download and then click Install. That's now installing. Let's go back to the home screen. Once your app has been downloaded, it will be ready to use. You can now find it in one of the folders in the App Manager. Or if you want to, you can access it quickly at any point in your lesson by adding it as a shortcut to the Quick Launcher. We also have a video on creating shortcuts to apps.